Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. In this video, we will see how to display top N and bottom N cities using calculation in Tableau. So top N and bottom N can be achieved using different methods. So one of the method is using calculation. So we'll first drag city in rows pane. Then we'll take cells and text, or we can put it here. We'll make it a discrete. Then we will create a calculation. So the calculation will be a if else statement. So if rank of sum of sales less than equal to 5, then top 5, else if window max rank of sum of sales minus rank of sum of sales less than 5, then bottom 5, else others. We'll name this calculation as top and bottom. Okay. Then we will drag these two filters. We will select top and bottom 5, apply. Okay. Then we will, so these are the top 5 cities, and below are the bottom 5 cities as per sum of sales. So in this calculation, you can pass the parameter also in place of 5, and the calculation will be dynamic. So I hope you liked the video. Please do share, like, and subscribe for such interactive and informative videos on Tableau. Thank you.